Got another lesson for you from the deluxe version of Machine Gun Kelly's new album, Tickets to My Downfall. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Can't Look Back. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So for this song, we're going to be in drop D, and we're also going to tune down a half step. And the first thing I want to show you is the riff that's playing throughout the entire song. It starts on an open A string, then 2nd fret D string, 3rd fret D string, 2nd fret D string, open D string, 3rd fret A string, open D string, 2nd fret D string, 2nd fret A string, 3rd fret A string, open E string, open A string, 2nd fret D string, open D string, 3rd fret A string, 5th fret low E string twice, 2nd fret D string, open D string, 3rd fret A string. And it repeats, and all put together it sounds like this. Now the chorus. The chorus starts on an A power chord, and since we are in drop D, you're going to bar the low E, A, and D string on the 7th fret. Next is an F power chord, so you're going to take the A power chord and move it down to the 3rd fret. Next is a D power chord, which is going to just be an open E, A, and D string. Then a G power chord. So we're just going to take the F power chord and move it up to the 5th fret. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the chords during the second verse. It's the same as the chords during the chorus. We're just going to be palm muting. It sounds like this. And that's it for Can't Look Back. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.